Hey everyone, this is Jordan, and in this clip I just wanted to discuss a issue that some users have reported that they've been having with the quick links in the Order Tracker 2.0. So I'm just going to give you an example of what's been going on, and then I'm also going to advise on how you can fix this in your own Order Tracker without having to recopy new data. So what's been happening is the quick links section, it has not been copying over the quick links properly in the RA and wholesale sections. It seems to be working in most cases with most users in the OA section properly. So I'm just going to show you an example of what's been happening. So I have some test data up here, and I'm going to run the script here. And what should happen is when our script is ran, which it should be doing automatically for yourself if you have it set up on triggers properly, as set up in or as discussed in the setup video, is it moves it makes a new header for us if we don't have a current supplier, and it's supposed to make a quick link for us in the corresponding section here. So it should be making it for us in the retail arbitrage section, which it obviously has not done. I've been working on this for quite a while, and the solution was a lot easier than what I was making it out to be. It just appears that the reason why this has been happening is because I changed the formatting of this page and then did not change the formatting proper with the script. So I found that the easiest way to fix this problem is basically just make this page look like how it used to look like in the version 1.0. So what you would want to do is in your copy of the order tracker, you just want to come here, highlight the row number 1, and then right click on that and click delete row. And then we want to delete the excess columns. So we can do that with the column J. So highlight that, click right click, click delete. On a column A, do the same thing. So right click, click delete. And then we just need to get rid of the excess columns in the headings here. So we do the same thing. So I highlight B, right click, click delete. Do that same thing with D, and lastly with F. Now our formatting is a little bit messed up, so we want to make this look proper. So we just quickly highlight the column A, right click, click resize column. I would pick about 160 for this. I believe that's what looks the most proper. So we'll do that with A, C, and the other column as well. Lastly with the wholesale section here. Now this is set up as it was in the prior versions. So now we're going to run an additional test and just see if it works properly for us here. So I'm just going to copy this data that we have here. Put it back up here. Copy over the formula so it works proper. Delete the data that I have down here. Now I'm going to run the script one more time. And we'll let it move for us and do its thing. It takes a moment. So everything's been moved. And now if we take a pic in the quick links, we can see that it has now made a proper quick link as it used to. So previously, this is exactly how it worked before, is it made the quick link for us if we moved the data in the sheet. So say if we move this somewhere else, it would not update the quick link properly. So if we move test and we come back into the quick links and we try to click on the quick link for test, it'll take us to the section where it used to lead us to. So it's always worked that way. And if you move things around, you'd have to update this manually. So you have to come in here and update the new section that it's in. I don't know what column we put it in, but say we put it in 38. We change that. It was 36, so I was pretty close. I'm working on something to hard attach these quick links to this information so that when we move it, it should update this automatically. I can't guarantee yet if it'll work properly, but some initial testing that I've looked at does look promising. So if I'm able to make that work successfully, that will be released in version 3.0. So that is something that we can look forward to. And then also as well, just in case you didn't know, if the title does look like this and it doesn't look like it goes all the way across, you can just click on the row. So highlight the entire row where the title is supposed to be, and then click the merge cells button up here, and that will merge it all the way across so it looks proper. This is something that, again, it has changed when we switched over to the 2.0 version. It seems to do this more often than it used to do. This is something that I'm still troubleshooting, and I'm hoping to have corrected in version 3.0. So yeah, that just kind of goes over how to fix that issue if that is a feature that you're wanting to use in the order tracker. If you have any questions, of course, feel free to reach out at any time. If you need any help troubleshooting, let me know, and I will help you out as best as I can.